Well, if I didn't make a record of this, I'd find it hard to believe. It's the first day of spring in New Jersey in the year 2009. And it's snowing! Ladies and gentlemen, it is snowing. We are witnessing our first either spring blizzard or late winter snow of the year. And it's kind of pretty, frankly. We're here at Sandy's house. Just hoping you don't have to shovel. Big flakes. Healthy flakes. Super snowflakes. Here in the nation's snow capital. The great state of New Jersey. It is pretty darn cold out there. And pretty darn blizzardy. It's just hard to believe. I don't remember anybody saying it was going to snow this morning. And I woke up and I see the biggest flakes I've seen of the whole season slapping me right in the face. Who knows how these things happen. God has his way. But I'll tell you, I bet you there's a beautiful spring just around the corner, and it's going to start momentarily. With any luck, we'll have a big blast of sunshine following this blizzard. We'll find out. Stay tuned. I can't remember a worst. Well, it's not December, it's March. But as you can see, New Jersey is not missing this opportunity for one last dance with winter. My dog Maggie only wishes she could be out here right now, riding on the hood of this car, embracing the weather, mouth open, tongue flapping in the breeze, tasting as many of these snowflakes as humanly possible. What do I care how much it may storm? I got my love to keep me warm. Don't worry, Broadway, I'm keeping my day job. On Route 46, going toward New York City, stopping a little ferry. On the way, and looking forward to a nice warm apartment. It is chilly in addition to being blizzardy here in New Jersey. Temperature, I was told on the radio, about 38 degrees. A little hard to believe the way it makes your ears sting. I'll take their word for it. It probably seems colder because of the wind chill factor. We're nearing Teterboro Airport, which is completely hidden under a shroud of fog on this day of days. So I doubt if we'll see any takeoffs or landings. We'll be pulling into my driveway shortly. It's been my pleasure to share this incredible snowstorm with you. It is a little hard to believe, frankly. Looking for spring, you wake up wanting to embrace the sunshine and look for the buds on the trees, the little green sprouts coming out of the ground, and you get hit by this. Now, you know what they mean when they say that God has a sense of humor. A delightful sense of humor at times. And I'm sure this will all just, probably melt by this afternoon. But right now, it is one rockin' snowstorm. Have a great day and a great spring, America.